How to treat sciatic nerve pain naturally. You will need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 cup of hot milk. What you have to do: add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to a cup of hot milk. Mix well and drink it. You can also make a paste of turmeric and sesame oil and massage it on the affected area. How often you should do this? You can do this 1 to 2 times daily. Why this works? Most of the beneficial properties of turmeric are due to the presence of curcumin in it. Curcumin is not only anti-inflammatory but also possesses analgesic properties, which can be quite helpful in relieving sciatica and its symptoms like pain and inflammation.